I want to buy jewelry and shoes to match my new frock.
That's a good idea. Matching accessories will make your outfit look beautiful.
I want something shiny and pretty.
Do you have a color in mind?
Yes, my frock is light pink.
Pink is a lovely color. We can find many matching things in the market.
Can we go today?
Yes, we can go this afternoon.
I'm excited already.
The market might be crowded, so stay close to me.
I will, Mom.
First, we will look for jewelry.
And then shoes.
Yes, shoes are very important too.
I hope we find something perfect.
Don't worry. The market has many good shops.
Should I wear my frock to match the jewelry?
That's actually a great idea.
Then the shopkeepers can help us better.
Exactly.
Let's get ready soon.
All right, let's go shopping.
Wow, the market looks so busy today.
Yes, many people are shopping.
Look at all those colorful shops.
We will start with the jewelry shops.
I see one over there.
Yes, that shop looks nice.
Should we go inside?
Yes, let's take a look.
I hope they have pink jewelry.
Most jewelry shops have many colors.
I see necklaces in the window.
They look beautiful.
I like that sparkly one.
Let's ask the shopkeeper about it.
Maybe they also have matching earrings.
That would be perfect.
I want something simple but pretty.
Good choice. Simple jewelry often looks elegant.
Let's go inside the shop now.
Yes, come with me.
I'm excited to see everything.
Let's start looking.
Hello, welcome to my shop.
Hello, we're looking for jewelry for my daughter.
I want something that matches my pink frock.
That sounds lovely.
Do you have pink jewelry sets?
Yes, I have several options.
Can I see them, please?
Of course, here are some sets.
Oh wow, they are beautiful.
This one looks nice.
I like the necklace.
It also comes with matching earrings.
That's perfect.
Try it and see how it looks.
It looks pretty, but maybe a little big.
I have a smaller design too.
Can we see that one?
Yes, here it is.
I like this one more.
It matches your frock very well.
Should we buy it?
Let's check shoes first.
Mom, there is another jewelry shop here.
Yes, let's compare a few options.
Maybe they have something even better.
It's always good to look around.
Welcome, how can I help you?
We're looking for pink jewelry.
Something simple and elegant.
I understand.
Those earrings look nice.
They are very popular.
What about a matching necklace?
Yes, here is one.
It's pretty but very shiny.
Maybe too shiny for your frock.
Yes, I think so.
I also have a softer design.
Let me see it.
This one is delicate,
I like it.
but the first shop had a nicer set.
Yes, I think so too.
Let's go back there later.
Mom, now I want to find matching shoes.
Yes, let's go to a shoe shop.
That one looks good.
Yes, let's go inside.
Welcome to our shoe store.
Hello, my daughter needs shoes for her pink frock.
We have many girls' shoes.
Do you have pink shoes?
Yes, of course.
Can I see them?
Here are some styles.
These are cute.
They look comfortable too.
I want to try them.
What is your size?
Size 3.
Here you go.
They fit well.
Walk a little and check.
They are very comfortable.
Let's look at one more pair.
Okay. Mom, I like these shiny pink shoes.
Yes, they match your frock.
They also match the jewelry we liked.
That's great.
They are one of our best sellers.
They look very pretty.
Are they comfortable?
Yes, very comfortable.
Good shoes should be comfortable.
The quality is also very good.
I can wear them at the party.
Exactly.
Should we buy them?
Yes, I think they are perfect.
I will pack them for you.
Thank you.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.
I'm so happy.
Now let's buy the jewelry.
Yes, let's go back to the first shop.
Good idea.
Welcome back.
Hello again.
I really like the jewelry set we saw earlier.
I'm glad you came back.
Can we see that set again?
Of course.
Yes, this is the one I like.
It matches her frock perfectly.
It suits her very well.
I love the earrings.
And the necklace is elegant.
Would you like to buy it?
Yes, we will take it.
Yay!
I will pack it nicely.
Thank you.
I can't wait to wear it.
You will look beautiful.
How much is it?
Here is the price.
All right, we'll take it.
Thank you. Mom, today was so fun.
Yes, shopping together is always nice.
I love my new shoes and jewelry.
They match your frock perfectly.
I can't wait to wear them.
When will you wear them?
At the family party this weekend.
Everyone will like your outfit.
I feel very happy.
I'm glad we found what you wanted. Let's go home and rest.
Good idea.
We will show Alex what we bought.
Dad will like them too.
I'm sure he will. If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK. Your support means a lot and helps us create more helpful videos for you.